So you got into this, right? And you get exposed to an industry and you learn some things. Was there a moment early on that you're like, holy shit, I cannot believe this is my job?
To kind of circle back, like being the small town boy and everything, I didn't travel anywhere and stuff. And then once I got on with them, I was going worldwide. We went to Europe and to Mexico and,
Had you ever been out of the country?
Never. Had no desire.
You had to get a passport and everything.
Had to get a passport. And I lived out of a suitcase. I traveled all over the United States to places I'd never even heard of. You know what I mean? And
some people would say that's a dream come true.
Right. And at the time I didn't want to do it, but I love that I did. And like, you know, you learn the different ways of worlds and just meeting people and seeing how other things are. And I'm 100% glad I did it. And it, you know, got me out and kind of took me out of my comfort zone. But I feel like that is the way of the world now. Everyone travels, you know what I mean? And it's so easy too. But that was the big kind of aha moment, and everything was like going to Europe and things like that, to where it's like, shoot, I never would have went here, and I'm glad I did. Now I want to vacation at some of these places and actually enjoy it instead of work. Yeah.
Yeah, but now you know they exist, and you want to go experience that. That's
and
awesome.
I've learned the places I do and don't like. So
yes.